Ever tried to keep track of your expenses but wished someone summed them up for you? That's basically what cumulative sum does. It helps us see the running total, making life easier in finance, analytics, and even predicting sales trends. Think of it like stacking coins. The pile keeps getting taller. By the end, we get a clear, big picture of our data. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. DataStage is basically the Swiss Army knife of data integration. It takes raw, messy data and turns it into something useful, processing huge datasets smoothly. Whether your data comes from databases, flat files, or clouds, DataStage ensures everything gets transformed correctly. Imagine it as a well-organized kitchen. Ingredients come in, meals go out. Cumulative sum isn't just fancy math, it's a lifesaver for understanding data trends. It ensures we don't lose track of our progress, whether in business reports or stock market predictions. Think of it like counting your daily steps. Instead of resetting every day, it keeps adding up to show your weekly total. Imagine analyzing sales data without knowing the total over time. Confusing, right? Cumulative sum smooths out those bumps, letting us analyze patterns and make solid predictions. Businesses use it to track performance, while analysts use it for forecasting. It's basically giving data memory so it doesn't forget where it started. All right, let's talk about grouping data. If you mess this up, your cumulative calculations will look like a toddler's scribbles, utter chaos. First, we group data correctly to make sense of patterns. Keeping datasets consistent ensures that our results don't jump around like a confused kangaroo. Choosing the right aggregation method is crucial. One wrong move and your sums may just sum up to nonsense. And let's avoid common mistakes, because honestly, no one enjoys debugging a mess. Stage variables are your secret weapon for cumulative calculations. Think of them like sticky notes. They help keep track of running totals efficiently. If used well, they streamline your process like a well-oiled machine. But be warned, misuse can slow things down like rush hour traffic. Keep your logic clean and crisp, and you'll have accurate results without pulling your hair out. Performance optimization is like tuning a race car. You want speed without losing control. Choosing efficient algorithms prevents your calculations from dragging like a lazy sloth. Reducing computational overhead keeps things running smoothly without making your system sweat. Indexing and partitioning help organize data properly. Think of them as the Marie Kondo of cumulative sum. And of course, balancing accuracy with speed is crucial because, let's face it, no one wants fast but incorrect results. Challenges, because nothing worthwhile comes easy. Missing or inconsistent data can ruin everything, like a bad ingredient in your recipe. Performance issues can turn your workflow into a frustrating experience. Ensuring accuracy requires diligence. Double-checking is key. And complex transformations, well, they may seem scary, but with the right approach, you'll handle them like a pro. Let's bring theory into reality. Financial calculations rely on cumulative sums to keep budgets balanced, because no one likes unexpected surprises in expenses. Inventory tracking ensures stock doesn't mysteriously vanish. Customer analytics helps businesses understand buying patterns, because predicting trends is always better than guessing. And in data warehousing, cumulative sums help structure data efficiently. In short, this isn't just theory, it's what keeps the business world moving. Best practices are like the rules of the road. They keep things safe and efficient. First, clean data is a must. Garbage in, garbage out. Optimize techniques. Make sure you get the best speed without sacrificing accuracy. Validating results at every stage ensures you won't have embarrassing errors. And finally, documentation. Because future you will appreciate having clear notes instead of trying to decode past you's chaos. All right, folks, we've reached the finish line. We've covered grouping, stage variables, optimization, challenges, real-world applications, and best practices. Accuracy is key because unreliable results help no one. Implementing the right techniques will save you time and frustration. And most importantly, don't just learn, apply. Go forth and conquer your cumulative sum calculations like a true data warrior. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.